students, good morning. In the last class we discussed about the book back questions, right? Today also we are going to that continuation only. We are going to see that continuation only, okay? So now all of you take your book, page number 134. All of you take your book, page number 134. In our last class we marked all the 1 mark questions, right? Today we are going to mark the fill in the blanks. So see the first question. The component present in lesser amount in a solution is called what? Solute. Note it. Solute. More amount in a solution is called solvent. Solute. Then second question. Example for liquid in solid type solution is liquid in solid type solution. Mercury with sodium. Mercury with sodium. Mercury symbol Hg and sodium symbol Na. Totally it is called as amalgam. This symbol, if you have any difficult to learn this symbol, means you can write the name Mercury with sodium. In the bracket you should mention amalgam. Okay. Then see the third question. Solubility is the amount of solute dissolved in dash gram of solvent. 100 gram of solvent. Then fourth question. Polar compounds are soluble in dash solvents. Already we studied in factors affecting solubility, right? So polar compounds are soluble in polar solvent. Non-polar compounds are soluble in non-polar solvents. Then see the last question, fifth one. Volume percentage decreases with the increase in temperature because due to the expansion of liquid, right? So answer due to expansion of liquid. Fifth one answer, expansion of liquid. Then see, match the following. Roman letter 3, blue vitriol. What is the chemical formula of blue vitriol? CuSO4 5H2O. Copper sulfate pentahydrate. Match the following. First one answer, CuSO4 5H2O. Blue vitriol chemical formula. Then second one, gypsum. Gypsum chemical formula, CaSO4 2H2O. Calcium sulfate dihydrate. Gypsum molecular formula, CaSO4 2H2O. Mark it. Then third one, deliquescence. Deliquescent substance example, sodium hydroxide, right? Sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Deliquescence answer, NaOH. Then hygroscopic. Hygroscopic answer, calcium oxide, CaO. Calcium oxide is the example for hygroscopic substance. So blue vitriol answer, CuSO4, copper sulfate, CuSO4 5H2O. Then gypsum answer, CaSO4 2H2O. Then deliquescence answer, sodium hydroxide. And hygroscopic answer, calcium oxide, CaO. Then see the true or false. Roman letter 4, true or false. First question. Solutions which contains 3 components are called binary solution. Is it right? Solution which contains 3 components. 3 components is called as what? Ternary solution. Okay. So here answer is wrong, right? So answer false. That binary solution, near that, please underline it. Binary solution. Underlined it. And near that you should write ternary solution. 3 components, right? So ternary solution. Answer false and you should change it, okay? Then second one, in a solution the component which is present in lesser amount is called solvent, right? In a solution the component which is present in lesser amount is called solvent. Is it right? No, false. Lesser amount is called what? Solute. Change it. Answer false. Second one answer false. Answer lesser amount is called solute. Instead of that solvent, you should write solute. Then third one, sodium chloride dissolved in water forms a non-aqueous solution. Sodium chloride can dissolve in water, right? So answer true. Third one answer true. Then fourth one, the molecular formula of green vitriol is MgSO4 7H2O. It is not right. So answer false. The molecular formula of green vitriol is what? Green vitriol. FeSO4 7H2O. That is iron sulfate heptahydrate. Iron sulfate heptahydrate. So that MgSO4 7H2O, you underlined it, near that write down FeSO4 7H2O. Then fifth one, when silica gel is kept open, it absorbs moisture from the air because it is hygroscopic in nature. So hygroscopic example silica, right? So answer true only. Fifth one answer true. True or false? First one answer false. You should change binary to ternary. Then second one answer false. You should change solvent to solute. Then third one true. Fourth one false. FeSO4 7H2O. Instead of that MgSO4 5H2O 7H2O, you should write FeSO4 7H2O. Then fifth one answer true. Okay. Then short answer, I think 6 questions we marked, right? Then seventh one, define hydrated salt. Define hydrated salt. Seventh one answer, page number 130. Page number 130. 130, see the first paragraph, hydrated salt and water of crystallization, heading under that paragraph, 8th line, start from 8th line, the number of water molecules found in crystalline substance. The number of water molecules found in crystalline substance is called water of crystallization. Such salt are called as hydrated salt. This much only, this 4 lines, mark it. The next question, 8th one, a hot saturated solution of copper sulfate crystals as it cools. Why? Actually, this copper sulfate is in a crystalline form, right? When we are dissolve this copper sulfate in water, it will change into a copper sulfate solution in a liquid form. Again we are going to cool this copper sulfate solution, it will form a crystal. Again it will come back into crystal form. Why? Because as the solution cools, the water molecule move close together. Okay. When we are cooling this copper sulfate solution, that copper sulfate contains what are the elements? Copper, sulfur, oxygen, hydrogen, oxygen, right? So when we are allowed to cool this copper sulfate, that elements, that molecules will be combined together, it will come closer. When we are dissolved with water, that molecules will be attract with another one element. Okay. So when we are allowed to cool this copper sulfate solution, that molecules will be come closer, that molecules move close together again, and less room for the solution to hold on much of the dissolved solid. So copper sulfate crystallizes as the solid is cooled. Main thing, when on cooling, that molecules move closer. Okay. So note this answer. As the solution cools, the water molecule H2O, you should not mention H2O, you should write water. The water molecule move close together again, and less room for the solution to hold on much of the dissolved solid. So copper sulfate crystallizes as the solid is cooled. Note it. The 9th one, classify the following substance into deliquescent and hygroscopic. See your book. What are the examples they given under this question? Concentrated sulfuric acid. sulfuric acid, then copper sulfate, pentohydrate, silica gel, calcium chloride and gypsum salt. Already we studied some example for the hygroscopic substance and deliquescent substance. Okay. From there we can identify here two substance is a hygroscopic substance, that is concentrated sulfuric acid and silica gel. Concentrated sulfuric acid and silica gel is the example for hygroscopic substance. So near that question you should write hygroscopic substance and deliquescent substance. Hygroscopic substance and deliquescent substance. What are the example for hygroscopic substance? What are the example? Concentrated sulfuric acid, and silica gel. These two are, sorry, here it should write silica gel. Remaining everything you should write under this deliquescent substance. Okay. So hygroscopic substance example concentrated sulfuric acid and silica gel. Then long answer. Long answer also already we marked. So first one, write note on saturated and unsaturated solution. This one we marked already. Then factors affecting solubility also we marked. That factors affecting solubility, very very important question. Okay. Then third one, what happens when MgSO4 7H2O, magnesium sulfate heptahydrate is heated? Write the appropriate equation. Equation we need to write. So answer given in page number 131. Sorry, 130, page number 130. Page number 130. See the heading 9.6.2 under this heading. Magnesium sulfate heptahydrate, MgSO4. You start from the first paragraph. It is the its water of crystallization is 7. Start from the first paragraph. Then equation must want to write. Okay. Should not omit the equation. Equation for 2 marks. Okay. So write the equation. Now up to this paragraph, mark it. These 3 lines. And here, this picture no need to draw. Okay. So here, first line, if you add few drops, they given no. So you cut that U. If add few drops of like that only, you should write in your exam paper. Okay. So this 3 paragraph. So start from this first paragraph, page number 130, first paragraph up to next page, this 3 lines. Okay. The next question, hygroscopic substance and deliquescent substance. Difference we marked already. Then fifth one, a solution is prepared by problem. A solution is prepared by dissolving 45 gram of sugar in 180 gram of water. Find out the mass percentage. So 45 gram of sugar in 180 gram of water. Find out the mass percentage of the solute. The solute mass percentage we need to calculate. So first you should write the formula. What is the formula for mass percentage? Mass percentage is equal to, what is the formula? Mass of the solute divided by mass of the solvent or solution. Mass of the solution, right? So mass of the solute divided by mass of the solution into 100. Okay, this is the formula for mass percentage. The next step we are going to apply the values, right? So mass of the solute how much? 45 gram. Okay, sugar here in this question, sugar is the solute and water is the solvent, right? So sugar how much? 45 divided by then mass of the solution. Solution means that it contains solute plus solvent, right? So 45 plus solute 45, solvent 180 into 100. Okay, 45 plus 180, that is the mass of the solution, solute plus solvent. Okay, so 45 divided by 225, 45 plus 180, 225 into 100 and 45 into 225. Can use the fifth table first. 4 5s are 20 and then 5 5s are 20. One 9 is 9, then 2 9s are. So we will get the answer 20 what? 20%. Because find out the mass percentage, right? So 20% of sugar. Okay, this is the answer. Note it. In your exam paper, one question I asked to know of what is the bond formation of HCF molecule in the previous lesson. 8th lesson, what is the bond formation of HCF molecule? Many of them written covalent bond or ionic covalent bond only you written. That is not right. Your answer is ionic bond. Okay, HF bond, answer is ionic bond because when we are splitting this HF, H plus and F minus, like that only it will split. This two molecule, when these two elements splitted, it will form a cations and anions. Ions are forming. So the answer is ionic bond. Okay. So remember it, lesson 8, that bond formation question. HF molecule, answer ionic bond is the right answer. Okay. The next question, 6th one. Roman letter 6, 6th one, answer 3.5 liters of ethanol present in 3.5 liter of ethanol present in 15 liter aqueous solution of ethanol. Calculate the volume percentage. 15 liter aqueous solution of ethanol. Calculate the volume percentage. Aqueous solution. This is solution. Okay, ethanol solution. So listen, in this question we are going to find out volume percentage. To find out the volume percentage, what is the formula for volume percentage? Volume percentage is equal to what is the formula? Volume of solute divided by volume of solution. Volume of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. So here what is solute, what is solvent? Ethanol is solute, right? Ethanol solute. Then ethanol solution they given, right? Ethanol solution. Ethanol solution means that it contains ethanol and water. Okay, solute and solvent. Okay, so here solution, ethanol solution. So directly you can apply this value. Okay, so we can apply the values first. Volume of solute 3.5 divided by volume of solution, how much? 15. Okay, volume of solution, one word solution they given means directly you can apply the value. Okay, if they did not given the solution, solvent only they given in the question means you should apply the value solute plus solvent. Have you understood the difference? Okay. So volume of solute 3.5 divided by volume of solution, how much? Ethanol solution. So 15 into 100. So first we can remove the decimal. For that we are going to multiply with 10. So we will get 35 divided by 150 into 100. the table we can use. 3 5s are 15, 7 5s are 35. So 10th table, 3 10s are 30, then 7 10s are 70. So 70 divided by 3. 70 divided by 3. So 2 3s are 6, balance 1. 3 3s are 9, 1. So up to the decimal 2 digits enough, okay? So we will get the answer 323.33 what? Percentage, volume percentage, right? So we can use percentage. Have you understood? So anyway, first step in the problem means first step you should write the formula for 1 mark, okay? So don't omit the formulas to write, okay? Then hard question, Roman letter 7. Roman letter 7, hard question. See, read the question. Read the question, all of you. Roman letter 7, first question. Vinu dissolves 50 gram of sugar in 250 ml of hot water. Okay, Vinu dissolve 50 gram of sugar in 250 ml hot water. So 250 ml hot water. And Sarah dissolve 50 gram of sugar in 250 ml cold water. See the difference? Vinu dissolve 50 gram of sugar in 250 ml hot water, and Sarah dissolve 50 gram of sugar in 250 ml cold water. So can you guess who will get faster dissolution of the sugar? Who will get? Vinu, because there is a hot water he used, right? So temperature increases, solubility will increases. Temperature decreases, solubility decreases, right? So who will get the faster dissolution? Vinu. So answer, write it in your note or write it in your book. Near that question also you can write the answer. Write the answer. Vinu will get faster dissolution of sugar. Vinu will get faster dissolution of sugar. And reason we need to write now. So next step, write the reason. Vinu dissolve 50 gram of sugar in 250 ml of hot water. It is given in the question. So start from here. Okay, 50 gram of sugar in 250 ml of hot water, and write it, will dissolve faster as solubility of a solid solute in liquid solvent. Solubility of a solid solute in liquid solvent increases with increase in temperature. Once again I am reading. 50 gram of sugar in 250 ml of hot water will dissolve faster as solubility of a solid solute in liquid solvent. Solid solute in liquid solvent increases with increase in temperature. Then second question, A is blue colored crystalline salt. On heating it loses blue color and to give B. This question already we studied. Answer, page number 130. Page number 130. Mark this equation. This one equation only. Okay. So near this first equation, see, so for 5H2O, near that you should mention A, capital A. So next step you should write A, copper sulfate pentohydrate. Then here B, anhydrous copper sulfate. This is A and this is B. Okay. This is the answer. Write this equation. Then third question. Will the cool drinks give more fizz at top of the hills or at the foot? Explain. So write the answer. Start from the question itself, you can mark it, okay? So start from this cool drinks. Cool drinks give more fizz at the top of the hills due to the pressure. Okay, so write it. Cool drinks give more fizz at the top of the hills. Continue to write. Since when pressure decreases, when pressure decreases, solubility of gas in liquid decreases. When pressure decreases, solubility of gas also decreases. Okay. When pressure decreases, solubility of gas in liquid decreases. So CO2 bubbles comes out as gas in a soda can. So CO2 bubbles comes out as gas in a soda can. So these two problems and all you should write in your note. Okay. And your study portion, this book back questions fully. Okay, thank you.